Hi, this is Sushil here. In the last video, I taught you about pie chart. In today's video, I'll be teaching you about thermometer chart. Now, this is my data actually. Now, this data you can download from my description. Now, thermometer chart is used only in case you have a data which says actual sales and target sales, or this year's sale was so much, last year's sale was so much. Like I have given some salesperson's names, and this year this person has done this much sale, last year he has done that much sale. So I would like to prepare a graph for it, and that is we use thermometer chart for that. For that, you just click inside and press Ctrl A. So this will select the full table of yours. Click on insert. Click on this icon. This icon is your dialog box. Click on all charts. When you're using thermometer chart, we have to use column graph. You cannot use any other types of graph, column, and it has to be clustered. You cannot take 3D or any of these options. It has to be column and it should be clustered only, and then you can say OK. So this is the graph will come like this. I'll just make the size a little bigger. Now this blue color you see, this is this year ka sale, and this maroon color you see, that is last year ka sale. So now you click on that maroon, that is your last year sale. Right click by mouse, and you have to come over here. Format data series. So when you click on format data series, there's an option here which says fill and line. Click. Two options comes, one is fill and one is border. First you click on fill and say no fill. When you say no fill, that color of that maroon color is gone. And then come to your border down. Click on solid line, and you can take any color. I'll go for black so it looks better. And come down width. Width is at the moment 0.75 points. You make this 2.25. I can make it more than that also. So a little darker. So I'll make it 2.25. That's fine. Now you can close this. This is not required, so you can close this. And this blue bar is there. This is your this year ka sale. So click on your blue bar. So when you click on the blue bar, just 1 minute. So when you click on a blue bar, right click, format data series, and there's an option which says series overlap, which is at the moment 27%. Make this, drag it and make it 100%. So when you make it 100%, now you can close this. So this is the graph. It should look like this. I'll just make the size a little bigger so you can see it. So this is how it looks actually, see. So now wherever you see this white space, white color is showing, that means this person has not achieved the target. And wherever you see this blue is gone on top like this, that means he has achieved the target. So some salesperson have achieved the target and some have not achieved the target. So this is how you can use this type of data if you want. Then we have to use this type of graph that is called as your thermometer chart actually. This is used only for if you have this year ka sale, last year was so much, and or actual sales was so much, and this year you have to target was so much. That time we use this type of graph actually. I have one more example. I'll just show you that also. This is also about a thermometer chart only I'm talking about. Here I have given you region wise sale. CY means actual, CY current year, and CY target, and PY. PY stands for previous year. So this is my data. According to this data, again I have to prepare a thermometer chart. Click inside and press Ctrl A. Click on insert and click on this icon, dialog box. Click on all charts. Again go for column because it's a thermometer chart I'm using, clustered. So this is how it looks. Okay. Just drag it down, place it somewhere down here. Make the size little bigger. Just dragging a little bigger. Okay. So this is how my data looks actually. This blue color is your CY current year actual. This maroon color is CY target, and PY actual. This is your green color. So you can make it little bigger size. Can you make that little bigger? Yeah. And that's your details down below. What you see, north, east, That also can be made a little bigger. Yeah. Now this green color is there. That is your PY actual, previous year actual. So you click on that green, then right click by mouse. There's an option called as change series chart type. And after that, click over here. This is called as secondary axis, PY actual. Just tick mark over here on this box. Click on this arrow sign here. It says clustered column, but we don't want clustered. We want as a line with marker. So you get a line. It tells me that previous year ka sale was how much. Now you can say okay. See, the line will come. Now I don't want this line, so you can just click on this line. Click on your option called as format, shape outline, and say no outline, and just click outside. So that line will go. You get a dot like this, but I don't want this dot. I want to. That is actually your previous year ka actual PY actual. Now I don't want this dot also. I would like to change it to some other shape like diamond shape. It's called as a marker. This option is called as marker. Click on that dot, right click, format data series. Click over here. This icon called as fill and line, marker, marker options, and build in. So these are certain options which Excel has given you. See, all this design or symbols. This is called as marker actually. You can take any sign. For example, I'm taking this sign. Size is 5. I'm just making it a little bigger. You can take according to your choice how much bigger. I'm making 25. You can see that size is increased. Color ke liye, you can come here, solid fill, color, take the color. I'm just going for this purple color. You can take any color according to your choice. Close it. This is not required now. Format data series. Close this. Then this maroon color is there. This is your CY target. Like how we did the earlier example for thermometer chart. Same way you have to do. Click on this maroon color. Right click. Format data series. Then come over here. Fill and line. First you say no fill. That will remove the color from here. Click on the blue line. Click on this. And same thing with border also. Solid line. Make it black because black is better. And width make it 2.25 so that it looks better. Okay, then you can close this. This is not required, and this blue should go on top here now. So click on this blue, right click, format data series, and series overlap. It's 27% minus 27%. Drag it to 100%, and then you can close it. So your final graph should look like this. See, now you can see this white space is showing in white space. That means these regions have not achieved their target. This east region have achieved their target. South has also achieved their target. So if you find this tutorial helpful, give me a like and subscribe to my channel Quick Excel Tally with Sushin. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.